Okay, I will be doing my written and verbal communication on this assessment. The question I chose to do was use the process of trig substitution to compute the integral. And I didn't finish it here, and I'm going to finish it in my notes. Okay. Here's what I did. So I have the integral right here. I noticed that x squared minus 9 was the same as x squared minus a squared, and that equaled a secant theta. So I was able to figure out what a squared was, and a squared was 9 from right here. And then I was able to figure out what a was alone by simply taking the square root of 9, and that would be 3. So after that, what I did was I figured out that x was 3 secant theta, and then I took the derivative of that, and that was 3 secant theta tan theta. And then I was able to figure out what square root x squared minus 9 was by taking the square root, by plugging 9 into the equation right here, because a squared is 9. So I got x squared minus 9 equals 9 secant squared. I simply just took the square root of both sides, and I was able to get 3 tan theta. So I was able to figure out that square root x squared minus 9 equals 3 tan theta. And now I got x over 3 was equal to secant theta. I was able to get that by dividing, because I knew x was equal to 3 secant theta. So I just simply divided, what's it called? 3 from here, from both sides. And then I was able to get x over 3 equal to secant theta. So knowing all that, I then solved what I could back into the equation. So I got 3 secant theta tan theta, 3 secant theta squared times 3 tan theta. I simplified, crossed out the like terms. I was able to end up with 1 over 9 secant theta. Now, I knew that secant theta was a reciprocal of cosine theta, so secant theta was equal to 1 over cosine theta. So, with that knowledge, I used that in this equation. So 1 over 9 secant theta equals cosine theta over 9. I integrated that, and I was able to get 1/9 sine theta plus c. And I had to sub back in secant, I had to sub back in the theta to the equation. I was able to get 1/9 sine arc secant x over 3 plus c. And that is my final answer. Now I gotta stop the video. So